Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. S equals to R cosine theta. Y equals to R sine theta. If we put x squared plus y squared, you will got about R cosine theta, everything to the power of 2 plus R sine theta, everything to the power of 2. Now we put R and R go outside. So we have like this. So this one, that is about number 1. So we got R squared. So we have x squared plus y squared equals to R squared. And now we have this one. We have R multiplied by 2 sine theta, because this one, that is about R, so that's why I convert 1 unit of R into this one. And we know that R sine theta, that is about Y, so that should be about 2Y. And now we put 2y go to the left. And this is the answer for question number 1. Next, we need to know that this is about the circle. So we add number 1 for the both sides. So this one, that is about identities. So the formula of the circle, that is about x minus 8, everything to the power of 2, and y minus b, everything to the power of 2, equals to number 1 or 3 equals to R squared. So A in this situation, that is about number 0, B that is about number 1, and R equals to number 1. This is about 1 square. So we need to select about C, because the center of the circle, that is about number 0, 1, and that is C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.